no TV this morning. Let's go play. I just did my makeup. This is the look I'm going for today.
Hi guys.
Okay, come on.
Makeup.
No, come out. No. So I think this is what I'm going to wear today. The dress is from Fashion Nova. I wear Fashion Nova like all the time, as you guys can probably tell. I'm like always wearing something from Fashion Nova. The choker is, I don't remember where the choker is from, and I don't remember where the boots are from either. But they were just like really cheap, just one of those random little shoes online stores. Today we are about to go look at a house again this morning, and then I'm not sure what else we're doing for the rest of the day, but we'll find out. And then I think tonight me and Reese might go to dinner. What you doing, babe?
Going for a swim while the kids are asleep.
Yeah, both the babies are asleep, so I just took some selfies. This is what the baby princess is wearing today. It is from Seed. You are so cute! And she's just started laughing, like full on laughing recently, but I can't get her to do it when I film. It's seriously so cute. We are off. We're going to look at this house, and then we are going to lunch because we had a really big week with work and stuff, so we're not doing much this weekend. Tomorrow we'll probably just relax at home, and today we are going to lunch.
All night, all night, all night. Got my man with me, got my man with me tonight.
This is what happens when you have babies. They have tantrums for no reason. We just went and saw the house. It was nice, but I'm not sure if it is for us. Like, it was really nice, but there's a few things that I didn't like so much. And now we are going to have lunch. I think we're just gonna go to Yum Cha.
So hungry.
So hungry. And then after lunch, probably just go home.
Vibe out, maxing, relaxing, chillaxing, all that kind of stuff.
Guys, this is my favorite right here. Chicken feed. Wolf is so good at that. We just had lunch.
Note.
Shut up! Oh my god.
Oh my god, Reese, you trouble.
We went into Harold's and I bought some sunglasses, which I'll show you guys when we get home. And I would have done some more shopping, but Wolf was literally like going crazy, so we had to get out of there as quickly as possible. Reese is definitely going to have a nap because
no, I won't be able to. I have to look after my children.
That's what I do. We were going to go out to dinner tonight, but we just really can't be bothered. We just want to relax at home.
Or I might go out on the Milton Mangoes and have a few beers with the boys.
No way. Guys, he doesn't drink.
Actually,
well, he doesn't not drink, but he doesn't, like, he actually doesn't, like...
Yeah, Tammy doesn't let me.
That's the biggest lie. That's actually a lie. He can do whatever he wants, whenever he wants. He's a grown man.
I've heard it all now, guys.
I don't like these jokes. People think you're serious. These are actually jokes, you know, guys. People take us too seriously.
Whoa, stretched hummer. Car goals.
That is like the ugliest car I've ever seen.
Remember when Hummers were cool?
I used to want a Hummer when I was like 10.
Yeah, same.
Like, I wanted a, oh my god, I don't
Bright
want to
yellow
say it.
Hummer.
Yeah, a bright yellow Hummer. Did you have a tantrum when we were in the shops?
Yeah.
Do you want to go home and go in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy'll take you in the pool. I just bought a new car. So excited. It's my Christmas present to myself, but it doesn't arrive until 2 more weeks. I mean, I love my Porsche so much. It's a really, really good car, but I just thought it's time for an upgrade. When we were going to get my car, we were actually going to get him one, but we somehow ended up with a new car for me
Somehow
and nothing
Tammy
for him.
weaseled the way into a new car.
I don't even know how that happened. It just ended that way, and now I got a new car and he got none. But we're getting him one too. It's Garfield getting ready for his nap. He's probably watching himself on YouTube. Yep, I was right. Okay, this is what I got from Harold's. I'll show you guys. I got these Tom Ford sunglasses. They're not your glasses. Look, I've got your glasses in my bag. Here. Oh, cool. Cool, dude. Just some gold aviators. I love them. Now I'm just going to get out of this clothes into something a bit more comfy and then do some emails. You gonna throw it in the bin for me? Start him young, doing the chores. Go on. Guys, I think he's gonna do it. Go put it in the rubbish bin. Good boy! Do you wanna tickle the baby? Say tickle, tickle, tickle. Yes, this little baby. Woohoo! So I just did some cleaning up and some emails and it started pouring. You can't really see, but it is like storming outside. So we can't do anything else really today.
Ready? Whoa, so loud.
Is Daddy funny? Oh. Wolf needs to be the center of attention. Wolf, say tickle tickle.
Oh, that was so hard, Tammy. That was so hard.
Just had a little headbutt, but she's okay. No, we're not opening the door. Come on. Come on. Baby. So some people commenting on Reese's video talking about cross-contamination.
Yeah.
And I just want to say, I agree with you guys. I agree. He isn't like the most hygienic person when he cooks and it drives me crazy. Like he'll touch the chicken and then touch something else and it just makes me feel sick. Imagine going through 2 pregnancies with that. So I was like extra cautious and he was just the same old messy guy and it drove me crazy. Do you need a nap? Do you want to go night-night? Okay, you can have your bubba. Do you want to go night-night? Yes, you've had a big day. You can have a little nap. Yeah? He's 1.5 and he still has 2 bottles a day. One at his nap and one when he goes to sleep. He doesn't need them, but he loves them. So I just did some work and now I'm just about to feed this little cherub.
The whole gang's here.
Yeah.
Oof, that's you.
Are you brushing your teeth, boo-boo? Okay guys, I am going to feed this baby and then I'm going to eat some food and go to sleep. Bye.